In this video, you're going to see how to get a high score in Block Blast. To achieve a high score here in Block Blast, the number one thing you are going to do is clear multiple lines and columns simultaneously. Always aim to complete multiple rows and columns at once. The more lines you clear in a single move, the higher your score. This also frees up more space, giving you more replacement options. Now, the second thing that you are going to do is keep the board balanced. Avoid placing blocks in a way that leaves you with large, difficult to fill gaps. Try to maintain a balanced board with evenly spread. Out blocks. This makes it easier to clear lines efficiently. Now, the third tip that I'm going to give you is to maximize your space. I want you to plan ahead to place large blocks in spaces that are harder to fill. Prioritize smaller blocks for tight spaces and save bigger blocks for more open areas. Now, the fourth tip is to plan for your future moves. I don't want you to just focus on the immediate blocks. Think a few steps ahead. Visualize how your current placement will affect future moves and leave space for upcoming blocks. Lastly, number 5, patience and practice. The more you play, the better you'll get at recognizing these tips I have mentioned earlier. Take your time and don't rush your moves to avoid mistakes that could limit your available spaces. By using these strategies I've shared, you should be able to achieve a higher score in Block Blast.